go to a braiding salon for this. I didn't have to wait for hours. I didn't have to break the bank. It doesn't get any better than that. All right, let's get right into the video. I'm gonna show you guys how I customize this wig. Girl like me that doesn't like to spend hours in the salon, baby, listen, I got just wigs, okay? I present to you Annalise hair and wigs. Okay, honey, let's get into this tea. Okay, let's get into it. Now, the packaging one. Ooh, it comes in this white velour bag. I think that's the name of the material. I'm not sure if it's not. Let's open this. So this is my first time unboxing this. We're doing this together. Okay, we're in this together right now. So there's a comb in here for the wig, as well as straps. Okay, so I can wear this around my head to make sure that the wig is secure. Ooh, and Elise hair and wigs. Once again, I'm loving this white. It's very angelic. It's very clean. And untied here a little. Little tight here, but you know, we'll get this thing out. Right. Oh, she's beautiful. Oh, she's so beautiful. Look at her. Oh, this is a gorgeous brown color, guys. I got me a micro twist wig. Oh, it's ombre actually. I'm just combing my fingers through it, as you can see, because it does get a little tangle, you know, at the bottom, but it is for that natural look. Like, it definitely does give it a very natural look, and you can tell this was hand twisted and braided. So shout out to the ladies who made this wig. You guys did a great job. I mean, come on, look at her. And then here we have the frontal. So, okay, all right. And what they also did, because like I said, we're looking at this for the first time. So there's two types of wigs, right? They have a frontal wig and they also have other regular braided wigs. The regular braided wigs just comes with the closure and it's just, you just have like one parting space. Whereas with this frontal braid wig, which is the new thing, I don't see too many people with this, actually. So I guess I might be one of the first to review this. But this is the frontal twist wig. So, you know, you guys know how frontals work. You can kind of part it any which way, and it'll look very natural. So, oh, it already actually comes with a strap for me. That was so nice of them. So I'm just going to take the wig like this, and I'm going to place it in the back of my head, like so. Now, I do have a little bit of a big head, so... Okay, we'll try this again. Wow, guys, this color is so gorgeous. I've actually never done a color like this before. I'm usually always like leaning into like brown. I mean, not brown, to like blonde hair. So this is like really, really, really cute. So they actually didn't leave too much hair out, like baby hair out, which is okay for me. And like I said, the wig is feeling very nice and secure because of the wig band that's in place, that's inside of this wig. So that is another thing I like a lot. Feels very secure. And that's what's about this year, securing the wigs, ladies. So the reason why I had to pull the hair up like this is because I have a big head and I guess I told them the wrong size, so it's definitely my fault. But what I love is that they have options on the site where you can choose your head size, and I think they give you examples based off of your head measurement. So don't be like me, make sure you give them the right head measurements, but still I'll definitely be able to manage this. So yeah, they left just a bit of baby hair out, which I like. So now I'm gonna use my spoolie end of my eyebrow pencil and start to brush out the hair a bit. And I love the fact that it's not a bulky wig. It's not a wig that's too heavy. This hair is actually very light. Like, you would think because it's braids or twist and it's a big wig that it would be heavy, but it's not heavy at all. At all. So one of these units are handmade and constructed from scratch. Like from start to finish. So that's one. So like I said, shout out to the woman who helped and assisted in making this beautiful unit. So there are different processing times for ordering this wig depending on your budget, depending on your patience as well. So there's the rush hour option, there's the standard option, there's the express option, and there's the fast track option. So there are 4 options available to you guys on the site. so you guys can decide which type of processing you want to go with in terms of how soon you want to get this wig. Now, I know a lot of y'all are like, well, you know, the wig is coming from overseas. What if I don't like the wig? What can I do? So there are refund options available, which I think is very sweet of this company to do. A lot of companies don't normally do this, as long as the wig is in its complete original state. So don't go and cut the wig up and this and that and then say, hey, I want a refund. It don't work like that, sweetheart, okay? So they do offer you guys refunds, but you just have to make sure that it is in the original state when you return. So for me, it always makes me feel comfortable knowing what my wig looks like before it arrives, because it takes a bit of a time to get here depending on the option you choose, once again. But you might want to know what it looks like before we send it out. So I like the fact that they also offer a picture and a video option. So you can email them and they can send you guys what the wig looks like before they send it to you, which I appreciate a lot. This wig looks very natural because they plucked the hairline for me and they also bleached the knot. So I feel like if you are gonna order this wig, you need to make sure that you get that option, you do that, so the wig can be like ready to go. Guys, you literally saw me. How long did it take for me to customize this wig? About 5 minutes. That's how quick it was, because they kind of already did the work for me. So if you are to order this wig, I really recommend that and I suggest that, because no one has time to be bleaching the knots and doing this and that. No, we don't got time for that. I will have all of the details in my description box on how you can order, but it is from AnnaliseRealHair.com. They also have an Instagram account, and basically everything will be in my description box describing the unit, what color, what length, and all that jazz, okay? Also, we want to help you guys save, so I got a discount code, baby. All right, I have a discount code. My discount code is FSNiece Corner. It'll also be in my description box in case you guys have trouble spelling it. But we want to help you save, especially on shipping, because that can be such a thing, you know. I don't know about you guys, but I know for me, when I order things online, what can literally stop me from going ahead and processing that order or paying for it is shipping. Shipping is just so, guys, baby, you can't tell me a damn thing. Look at her. Who is she? I love this unit so much. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys would look into a braided wig option. It's just a new thing these days. You gotta get with the times. No one has time to be sitting in these braiding shops and doing the whole, like, nobody got time for that, especially when there's units like this already made and done for you, and they're affordable. If you think about how much you spend at your regular salon for braiding, it's literally the same amount of money you would use to buy a wig. Like, it makes no sense why you wouldn't just go ahead and buy the wig. You know what I mean? So let me know if you guys like this video. Thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this where I'm reviewing the unconventional, because this is very unconventional. I mean, who would have thought in 2018 that braided wigs would be a thing? I feel like it definitely started last year, but now look at us. 2018, braided wigs. Come on. I'm saying though. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please like, thumbs up, and subscribe. I want to hear from you guys. I love you guys so much. Peace.